What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today you and I will be creating a cartoon illustration of Spot from Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. For today's lesson we'll need some plain white paper and something to draw with. I'll be drawing with this black Sharpie 5-point marker, but you can use whatever you'd like. Let's begin our drawing in the center of the page with that blob in the center of the face. We're going to start over on the left side. We're just going to draw a wave that goes around. Just going to dip this down in the middle and then bend that up towards the right. Now let's round out the side. Just adding this wave coming in. And I just want to dip this down towards the middle and just round this out. Just going to start on the left, coming down towards the bottom, and pull that back up towards the right. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left side, let's step out. Just going to curve the head, coming down, just underneath that blob, round up the chin, and then pull that up on the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. Just going to bump this out. Go up and in towards the middle. Let's round up the head. Come across, down, and then in. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head. I'm going to bend the body, going out, and then down towards the hip. Let's line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Now on the side of the body, we're going to draw the top half of the arm sinking into those black voids. Let's start halfway down the side of the body. We're going to bend the arm, going out and then up to right about there. Bend the arm, going up and in underneath the head. Now I want to wrap that void around the end of the arm. So we're going to step out underneath the head. I'm going to draw an oval, going all the way around and just tuck that up underneath the arm. Let's line up the inside of the arm over on the right. We're going to bend the arm, going out and then down. Let's close off the arm with a curve, going out and up. And we'll curve the arm, going up and in underneath the head. Let's wrap that oval in behind the arm. From this point, we'll step up, come down toward the bottom, go up, and then back down. Now we're going to separate the hand from the arm. Let's start with the bottom edge of the wrist. Start with a curve, coming down, just pull that up on the inside, and it'll wrap around the thumb. Going all the way around, and then bend that back in. On the inside of the thumb, we'll add the palm, going out and down. Let's add 3 fingers along the top. Start from the top of the thumb, bend this up and out. Round up this finger, come in and down. Now I want to curl 2 more fingers along the side. So we step down, go out, come down, and just curl that back up on the inside. Let's add 1 more finger, going out, down, and just tuck that up underneath. Now at the bottom of that last finger, we're just going to curl the palm, coming down, and just tuck that in, leaving a little overlap across the palm. Let's layer an oval in behind the wrist, starting up here, coming all the way around, go up towards the thumb, and just tuck that in. Let's do the same thing on the right side. We're going to separate the hand from the arm. We're going to start from the palm, curve this around and then up. Let's round up the thumb and curl that back in. And we'll add a curve for the palm. Let's add in those 3 fingers. Starting from the top of the thumb, we're going to go up, around, in, and then down. Let's layer 2 more fingers along the side, going around and down, just curl that up and tuck 1 more finger in behind. And then from the palm, we'll step in, curve this down, and then up underneath that bottom finger. Let's add that oval underneath the palm, starting from the thumb, go all the way around, just tuck that up underneath. Now from the hips, we're going to move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Now you want to extend the right leg, starting from the middle, just going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, going out and then up toward the toe. Now you see the bottom of the foot, so just going to round this out, come in and then down towards the heel. Let's go back up to the toe, curve the foot, going up. Now we're going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Now I'm going to go back up to the hip and draw the outside of the leg. Just going to draw that same curve, coming in on top of the foot. Now we're going to sink the left leg inside that void. Starting from the center, bend the leg going out and down to right about there. I'm just going to clip this off. coming down, and then up. Let's connect the hip to the outside leg with a curve. And then along the base of the leg, we're going to draw that oval. Starting from the outside, going out, across the middle, and pull that in on the right. Let's offset the foot over towards the left. We're going to start up here with an oval, go all the way around, and then back in. From the right side of the oval, we're going to step over, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the heel, and then we'll round out the foot, going down and then up. Let's round out the top of the foot, and go up, bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Now on the left side of that oval, we're going to step in, bend the leg, going out and down on top of the foot. Now let's add some spots inside the body. We'll start underneath the left arm. Just going to wobble this line, going all the way around and then back down. Let's add a large one on the left side of the chest, going all the way around and then up. Let's add a smaller one on the right, and a couple of small spots going around. And work our way down the leg, starting from left hip. Across the right leg. And then bottom, just tuck one on the outside. Let's add a few smaller ones on the right arm. Now I'm going to add a few random spots around the body. Let's start in this area here. Just going to wobble this line, going all the way around, almost like a splatter, coming back in. Let's add one along the bottom. Let's go up to the top right, and then one more on the top left. Now that we have our basic contour drawing in place, let's go back in with a thick black marker and fill in the black areas. Let's start with the center of the face. Now I want to connect these spots to the main parts of the body with a stringy liquid effect. Let's start from the top. I'm just going to curve this around and then in. I'm going to add some thick and thin spots. Come around and then in. Go a little bit thicker and just fill those in black. Also going to thicken up the tops. Let's connect this bottom one up towards the arm. Go around. And then up, a little thicker, and then just fill that in black. And we're just going to separate this, just adding some curves, almost like drawing some webs in between. I'm just going to branch this off a little bit along the bottom and pull that down towards the foot. Let's add a few small spots going around those voids. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Spot from Across the Spider-Verse. I'd love to see how your drawing turned out, so you can share it with me on Instagram or by email. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you can check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.